the Temptek Veteran LX series water temperature controller. Has a range of 32 to 250 degrees. It uses the input line water to chill it down, and it can help control the temperature, and also uses heating coils to heat it up. Does not have a main disconnect from power. When you plug it in, the power light will come on and it will go through a series of warm-ups and power on self tests, and once it's finished, then it'll just have a green power light, but the pump light will not be on. This switch here is for the pump. Once you engage that, the pump will turn on and your temperatures will come up, and then you can program it as you want. The input pressure determines the flow rates through the system and through the process and through the drain. You may have to restrict the drain if you find that your input pressure is not high enough to compensate for that. You can see now I've got a set point of 105, and you'll see the cooler, the heat come on. It'll vary within a few degrees, which is normal, and as it needs heat, it'll apply it. You'll hear the contactor click in, and then when it requires cooling, it'll open up the drain. So you need the drain constantly connected to an open drain so that it can flow whenever it needs to, and it will control within whatever temperature range you have it set for. I have it set here because the current situation, I wanted to show our flow rate. We have this piped through a flow mechanism, so you can see that it's flowing. So if you want to change the temperature here, I can hit the down arrow, and let's go to say 90, and you should see the cool light come on after a few seconds. So you saw the cool light flash there, and it'll start to open up the drain, and the more cooling it needs, the more it'll open up the drain. And then again, you may have to adjust your pressures and drain release to accomplish what you need to, and it also is dependent upon the temperature of the incoming water. Conversely, if you want to heat up higher, takes a few seconds for it to register, and there we go, and then the heat will come on, and then of course you'll see the process temperature begin to increase, and the heat will cycle also as it gets to within a controlling range. Okay, I've changed the configuration now. As you can see, I've increased the temperature up to 175. This unit has a maximum of 250, but the hoses that we have here are not able to go up to that temperature. So I have the best hose that we have, which has 180 degree. So as you can see, I put it at 175, and it's controlling there. And we've disconnected from the back, and I have just a process loop just going out and back in.